I can imagine walk away. Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and I'm back with another video. So you guys absolutely love my plus size traveling why fat video, that tips video. So I was like, well, let me think of something else so I can give you plus size tips that may help you out here for the summer. So yeah, if you want to see that, then definitely stay tuned. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos, and hit the notification bell also, because these videos go up once a week. You will get beauty, fashion, lifestyle, different things like that, but they do go up different times a week, so please hit the notification bell so you do not miss one. So yeah, let's hop right into it, you guys. So let's be honest, just like my tips for a plus size while traveling while fat, a lot of these tips may also be for other people who are not plus size. Take it for what it is. Love thyself, and that's what we preach over here, okay? We love all of us over here. All right, so getting right into it, one of the biggest things I feel with being plus size in the summertime is hygiene. You are hot, you are sweaty. Honestly, in South Carolina, you guys, the humidity is like 90 to 100% every freaking day. It don't make no sense, y'all. Like, so I think one of the biggest things is making sure you stay fresh and you're smelling good. So a couple of my tips is for the body here. So of course, deodorant. Okay, like deodorant, this is what I choose to use. This is Dow. Nothing fancy, just a Dow basic. I also very much love Dove. It's one of my all Dove deodorants are one of my favorites, y'all. That's not really something I should have to tell y'all. Y'all already know that. Y'all need to wear deodorant, okay? So but for the body, you guys, things that I think you should have handy on you is, because you know, as a plus size, we sweat in like other places, so all our little fat rolls and different things are sweating, like our fupa over our goods are sweating, and so I just think it's very nice to have these little packets here. These are from Summer Ease. These are Simply Sensitive. I use the sensitive cleansing cloths here, pH balance. I think these are absolutely essential on the cloth, on the go little cloths here to have with you to be able to clean, you know, your external areas of, you know, around your vajayjay, keep you fresh, keep you clean. I also do keep wet wipes, maybe for other parts of the body. And I'm saying, like, we sweat in different places, but protecting yourself down there is very important. When you have so much moisture, you know it's not good for it. She cannot have that, and that's where odors and different smells can come from your body. Also, another thing I love to have and I keep on me, these are not more to go, but these are flushable wipes. Y'all, I love flushable wipes. I do use toilet tissue, but I use these first. I just think on an overall hygiene level, they're just way better and keep you fresh. They are wet, so I do go behind them with the toilet tissue to dry up, because once again, we don't need that moisture, okay? So going into moisture, I always keep something, because I am a sweater. There's a lot of people who do not sweat. Like, I don't sweat under my arms. That's something I'm blessed not to have to deal with, but I sweat in my face so freaking bad. And I be trying to be cute in the summer too, you know what I'm saying? I want to be cute, but it's a struggle in the summer. I'm not gonna lie, for me to be cute, I have to have all kind of things with me. So I always recommend, if you're like me, who wear makeup. Now, I don't too much wear a lot of makeup. Like in the summertime, if I do, I wear a BB cream or a CC cream. A great one for my chocolate girls is Black Radiance. I love their, is it a CC cream or BB cream? Let me see if I can get it out here. It's a BB cream, and it has SPF 50 in it. Y'all make sure y'all get some SPF products, because yes, we are chocolates, but chocolate can still get cancer, okay? So get your SPF. I have it in my moisturizer. I have it in my this right here, whatever you call it, my foundation or whatever. That's all I normally wear, or powder, or just do powder, also by Black Radiance. I really love their products. That's what I wear in the summer. But this bad boy right here, you guys, get you guys one of these sponges here. This is one of my biggest tips. Even if you don't wear makeup, if you sweat in the face, get you these sponges. I keep these on deck. I have my little bag. I always have a separate bag in my pocketbook that I keep just, you know, like beauty products in. So this is something that I keep in there. The key to when you're sweating, you guys, when you're sweating in the summer, you do not want to wipe. Don't wipe. This is like pretty much all the time anyway, because if I put all this makeup on, I'm not about to wipe it off. You dab. you just dab it back in. My sweat places are so weird. I sweat here over my eyebrows, in my eyebrows sweat, and then I sweat here on my cheeks and my nose. So those are my places. So I just dab that in, okay? Now, if it's really serious and I don't have no makeup on, then I bring out my good washcloth. And when I say good washcloth, I mean like my good old washcloth, not like that. Because as you can see, got makeup and stuff on it. This is my baby. I have a lot of these. My favorite color is purple, so I picked something that is my favorite color, and I don't mind traveling, having with me at all time. It's gotten to the point where people identify me as this washcloth, especially my clients when I'm working outside. They're like, we're going to get you a cloth and get it embroidered with your business name on it. And then also purple is in my business color, so it matches, so I don't feel as bad when I have it with me, like when I'm on a job or something, because it matches, honey. We matching. But this bad over here, like, I have no shame, you guys. Wipe that sweat off. Don't be walking around here hot and looking a mess and miserable, like, and you trying to be cute dabbing. If it comes to it and you just got to swipe, honey, swipe. Now, like I said, I do this when I don't have a face of makeup on, I don't have anything on. I will very much wipe whatever I need to wipe off. If you know you sweat under your arms, baby, have your wipes and wipe off under your arms and put your deodorant on. At this point, I think everybody should have a deodorant in there. I have a deodorant in my car. I have a deodorant in my pocketbook. I think I have 2 deodorants in my pocketbook, honey. In my travel bag, I have a deodorant. Deodorant just needs to be everywhere, okay? Also, another trick I like to do is paper towel or some napkins, put it in my pocketbook, just in case I don't want to have the rag out. I'm trying to be a little more cuter and not have my rag all the way out. And I want to be a little more discreet. I definitely will keep some paper towel in my pocketbook. I'm putting it back in there, okay? Use your pocketbook, ladies, all right? So my next couple of tips here. My next tip is water, you guys. Keep your water near you. This is for everybody. Please stay hydrated, my friends. Stay hydrated. I love this cup. This is the knockoff, what they call Yeti. This is the knockoff. This is the Mountain Trail. I know they sell these at Walmart. I forgot where I got mine from a long time ago. Y'all, this cup is the life, okay? Life. This ice, I've had this ice ever since about 12 o'clock today, and it is currently 11:12 p.m. Okay? That's still the same ice in this cup. Love this cup. Please do not be ashamed. Have your drink. Stay hydrated. Keep that skin pretty. If you don't like water, you know, sometimes that's plain water that I'm drinking in here, but sometimes I don't feel like that. I love these little flavor packets here. This is Great Value brand, and this is Weiler's Light. I don't know how to say that, but I like strawberry lemonade, plain lemonade, pink lemonade. Those are my cup of teas, okay? So another thing, you guys, is also in staying hydrated is, I know we big and we kind of like, you know, try to act cute, like you won't be hungry, but do not pass out here messing around trying to be cute. Keep you some snacks handy, okay? I love to have me some trail mix with me, or just some plain sunflower seeds, something to keep my energy going, because it can be very draining sitting out here when you're directly in the sun, or you're out and about, you're moving around. Make sure you are staying, you know, your blood sugar ain't dropping, okay? Because even though we're big, people think, oh, they big, you don't need to eat, girl, you can survive off your body fat. No, I'm about to say no ho. Girl, get you a snack, honey. Get you a snack. Keep your energy levels up. If you feel like the water is not helping, don't grab a soda. Don't you grab that soda. Get you a Gatorade. Get your electrolytes up. Electrolytes. There you go. Get those up, you guys. Another thing that I love, you guys, is I have a fan, okay? I have no shame in my game. Like I said, I be hot, I sweat. And that's a different thing. That's another thing. You can't have no shame in your game. Or you just, I feel like when you try to be slick or sneaky about something, or you know you low-key have self-esteem issues and you try to do something to cover it up, is when you show it more, in my opinion. So listen, this fan right here, I got to put some more batteries in it. Those died. But this is one of those little portable fans that spin. I definitely have this. People act like, oh, she bougie. That's fine. I'm cool. Okay, I also have, mine just recently broke. I'm so sad. But one of those Chinese fans, you know, the little ones you flip open and you like that. Yes, I do have that. I got a church fan in the car. Y'all, I do what I have to do to stay cool, okay? Because we have a lot going on. We got a lot going on, and we get a little more hotter than a lot more people. And that doesn't mean we still can be cute, sexy, and smell fresh. We can still go on about our days. You guys choose to wear clothing that are light. A lot of big women are insecure about their arms. As you can see, I have very big arms. I really don't have a tip on that in regards to, you know, being confident about wearing your arms out. I know a lot of big women do not like to wear their arms out. Listen, I'm comfortable. I like to wear things that make me comfortable. I'm absolutely comfortable in what I have on, so I really don't care how you feel about the fatness of my arms. And I don't feel any way, well, I won't say I don't feel any way about the fatness of my arm, but it's not enough for me to sit here and wear long sleeves in the winter, in the summertime, okay? I'm not about to rock a jacket because I'm insecure about my arms. And no one's really paying attention but you. And that's just the absolute truth here. What else I got over here? My last tip, I think this is the last one, is also when it comes to smell goods. Now here, like I said, in the South, honey, it's hot and humid. I do not recommend strong perfumes, honey. The mosquitoes will eat you up. The mosquitoes will get you a nice little body spray for the summertime is what I prefer to use. I don't really use perfume in the summertime. So this is from Bath and Body Works. Everyone knows this fragrance. This is Sweet Pea. If you have never worn Sweet Pea, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys. If you have any more tips or any other videos that you would like my opinion on, definitely let me know. Leave them down below in the comment section. If you have tips, honey, something that I am missing, any powders or anything you may recommend. I know a lot of plus size women deal with chafing and things like that. I don't mess around with putting on like baby powder and all that stuff on me and stuff like that. I feel like if your body is moisturized, if I put my shea butter on, and yes, I still do put my shea butter on in the summer, my legs, my friction is not too bad. So just making sure you have something there on your skin to break up the friction. But like I said, any tips that you may have or things that I may be missing out on, definitely leave them down below. Let's talk about it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media networks, and don't forget to live, learn, and record, and share. Smooches!